Hey guys, Arthur from Canadian LED here. In today's video, I'm excited to explore the world of LED walls together. This incredible display changed the way how we experience visuals. So let's break it down how they work in a straightforward and engaging way. So, what is exactly the LED wall? It's essentially the large-scale display that's made up of the multiple LED panels stacked together in any size or shape they can really think of. Each panel is the little marvel of technologies and consists of the several key components. The first one is the LED modules. These are building blocks that contains of the small LEDs inside of it. The second one is the power supply that actually provides the electricity needed to run the LEDs. The third one is the receiving card. This processes incoming data and tells what LED to display. The first one, we have the cabinet. That's actually the frame that holds all of the parts together. And the last one is the power and the data wires. This actually connect all those parts together. We'll be covering different types of LED modules and the cabinets in the future videos, so don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for those insights. Now, let's talk about how these LEDs come together and create these stunning images. Each LED acts as a pixel that can produce red, green, and blue light. By adjusting the intensity of these colors, we can create millions of color combinations, resulting in the vibrant and dynamic visuals. A crucial factor on image quality is the pixel pitch, which is the distance between the centers of LEDs. A smaller pixel pitch means more LEDs packed into the same space, leading to a higher resolution and sharper image, especially when the viewing up close. If you are curious about the pixel pitch, be sure to check our dedicated video on that topic. I will drop the link in the description for you. You might be wondering how these LED panels work together seamlessly. That is where the LED wall controller comes into the play. This essential component transmits the data to each LED panel's receiving card and telling each LED what color to display and when to change. It's like the brain's operation, ensuring everything works in a perfect harmony to create the cohesive image like this one. Installation and maintenance of LED walls are also worth mentioning. Thanks for the modular design, installation is pretty straightforward. Plus, if a single panel or individual LED needs to replace down the line, it could be done without effects on the entire wall. When you just remove one module, replace it, and connect it back again. As simple as that. At Canadian LED, we offer the wide range of LED wall solutions tailored to meet your diverse needs. Whether you're looking for the high-resolution display for your church or a massive screen for outdoor advertisement, we got you covered. Curious how the LED wall could work for your specific project or want to learn more about the pricing? We are here to help. Just click the link below to fill out the form for a free consultation with our technicians. We will discuss your unique needs and provide tailored recommendations to ensure you get the perfect LED screen solution. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights about LED display solutions. We look forward to helping you bringing your visual to life with Canadian LED.